So hello all, what we have seen in the previous video lecture is about detailing about the data types. Today we will see the control structure, if, else and all that, and the looping structure in Java. They are basically they are comparatively same as the C language. Just we will see the quick version of that. Let's say class looping xyz. Then you can define the public static void main, as you know, public static void main. Okay, then we will define, let's say if I want to, let's say print 10 numbers, let's say I will define a for loop for integer I equals to 0, I less than 10 and I plus plus, same as a C language, no change. Just for the print you have to write the system.out.println let's say print the value of I is plus I. Just save the code with the class name looping.java, go to the cmd, then compile your code looping.java and then java looping. Okay, then will be the output. Okay, there's a problem, java fx. Okay, string. Okay, we have to define string args over here. Let's save this code, compile the code and just run the code. Yes, we have the output 10 times from 0 to 9. That is the for loop of Java. Let's say if you want to define a while loop, similar, just you convert this as a while the same as a C language, no change, I less than 10. Let's say just copy this value over from here to just here, simple. We end up again, let's do this to the j, because we already have defined the I. So let's do this over the j and just replace this I with j over here. Save this code, run this code. Okay, integer, I think they will not allowed here. So integer j equals to 0 and j less than 10, and we have to do the j plus plus manually over here. Yes, sorry for that. Save this code, java looping.java, and just compile, run this code, java looping. Okay, just putting it comment. Also I will show you that this is the way we will do the multi-line comment in Java, /* and this is for the single line comment. Okay, so the single line comment and the multi-line comment are also covered in this session with this. Yes, value of j with the while loop, Let's the similar in the similar type in the C language, do while loop also are considered this as same. Okay, now we want to see the if else structure. Let's say if I were to define if j is greater than 5, if j is greater than 5, then I would like to print something else, I would like to print something. Okay, let's say over here a value of j is less than, is greater than 5, value of j is greater than 5, and here we can write value of j is less than 5. Just save this code and compile this code. Yes, we know it is so much easy, but we should cover this. A value of j is greater than 5. The somewhat twist I am giving to you. Let's say if I will write only here let's say a true, not a true, but let's say the false, what will be the output? Just guess that we are not writing any condition j less than 5, j greater than 5, we are just writing the false. So what will be the output? If the output will be the if part, if the output will be the else part, or it would be the compile time error. Okay, so let's check that. Let's go to the compiling the code, just go to the running the code. So the value of j is greater than 5. Value of j is actually if false, this is the spelling Java C, and just compile the code. Value of j is less than 5, so it is printing the else part. So what I want to try to convey to you is that when we write any condition, let's say j greater than 5, the output of that condition it will be in the form of true or false. So if we'll understand that output, not the condition, so if you write only true, it will execute the if part. If you write the false, it will execute the else part. Simple. Okay. So let's say if I'm writing not, so this is for the not false, so it will again not false equal to true, so it will execute the if part again. It will execute the if part again. Okay. So this was basic. So similar in the case of else, if you want to write if else if, you can write in the condition the same in the case like a C language. There is no change in the syntax in Java compared to the C. So this was about the looping structure and the control statement all in the Java. Okay, thank you very much. We'll see more into the next videos.